my name's Jonathan, and I have the Globe Geminon. It is a drop deck longboard, 41 by 10 inches, blue and white, wrapped in plastic and everything. Nice wheels for sliding. Yeah, so they are 72 millimeters and 78A, and they are ABEX 7 bearings. They have slant trucks on them, and yeah, it's a drop deck, I guess. Ride pretty good. It's actually pretty good for straight out of the box with nice trucks. So yep, you can pop it up. So yeah, that is the deck, and that is the and so yeah, that's the Globe Geminon.